Alright, so this is just a general kind of update on this. I'm just going through fitting all the various stuff to the engine bay. The wiring harness has been installed, roughly. Subframe mostly assembled and fitted. All the bolts are loose, so they need torquing up. Then I've been going around finding all these bits for the handbrake cable, working out what goes where. All these relays obviously have been refitted. This sound deadening mat here has been glued on. Wiper motor. Yeah, other than that, it's just basically a matter of working out where everything goes. The bushings for the sway bar, all the rubber components for the front axle have been replaced except for the engine mounts and the air bellows. The engine bay, well, the whole reason for removing all of this stuff really was to replace or repaint the engine bay while I was in there. This lower control arm has had the inner pin replaced. It's not actually, the bolts are loose, but there's no play in that. This top one is original. The pin is worn out, so you can hear that that's knocking around. So that actually needs to be replaced. This side, there's a slight amount of play in it. It's better than the other side, but really ought to be done as well. This is a lower pin for the lower control arm from the front axle. That's heavily worn, that one. And also this is an oval shape as well, so that will need to be replaced. As for the kingpins themselves, there's no side to side, or very minimal side to side play, but it does have some end play. This one's about the same. Alright, so as far as the interior goes, basically I've got everything refitted here on the dash. That should be fully functional. The heater levers fully functional. Air conditioning unit requires, which one is it now? This one here, the fan speed control. The rheostat in it, the actual resistor component is broken. So I'll need to sort that out at some point. So basically the only thing remaining here is the brake booster that needs to be installed.